Hi everyone. Okay, we're talking about clenched jaw today. So if you struggle with any sort of clenched jaw or jaw tension, or you grind your teeth at night, this is going to help with that. You can also take an adaptive capsule at night before you go to bed, and that will help with your tension in the jaw. You can have tension in your jaw from posture, from sitting at a desk all day, on the computer all day. So grab your gua sha and you can relieve some of that. So I've already done my gua sha and face routine, face and neck routine. I've applied Yarrow Palm on my jaw lines and jaws and cheeks. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the tip here and we're just going to start in the middle between the cheekbone and the jaw. And I'm going to just do circular motions, working my way down. You can open and close your jaw, kind of help with that. And then next you're going to take the heart side of your gua sha and doing the same thing. We're just going to go in there and just circular motions. All right, next we're going to start with the rounded edge and we're going to work our way down the jaw. Now what we're going to do is go under the chin and we're going to come up the jaw here. So we're coming under the chin here, moving it around the jaw, and then we're going to come up by the ear and give it a little wiggle. Like this. And the last thing you're going to do is some drainage. Make sure you drain well and drink lots of water.